One of the really handy features of the Stannp platform is our reporting page. You'll be able to look back at previous mailings and your current mailings and see the status of these from there. On your home dashboard here, if you select to track recent mailings, that will take you to your reporting page. It gives us a breakdown of the campaigns you've sent out and lets you look into these a little further. You can also get to the reporting page down the side here on the toggle menu with reports, which brings us back to the same page. So, if we want to look at our direct mail items, we can click to view here. And you can set a custom date range to see your campaigns over a period of time. So if we wanted to look at the last year, or the set options here, and then submit. Brings up our campaigns sent within that time. You can see a breakdown here of the total mail pieces sent, the total cost, and what status they're in. You can export these mail items if you need evidence of when you sent items, but individually it gives us a breakdown of addresses here of who we've sent to and when. If we scroll along, we can also view, which shows us the recipients, and we can also do tracking. And that shows us when we received the mail piece, the item was produced, the date was handed over and the time, in transit, local delivery and delivered, for that tracking for the mail piece. You can also pin parts of this report to your homepage if you wish, if you want to track a certain campaign, for example. And that will appear here so you can see the breakdown easily when you log in.